Quite frankly, it's not common to be able to get an internship or experience in your related field that you want to study abroad.
Our program aims to build a bridge and to close the gap between the Western culture and the Middle Eastern culture. And this is what we aim to do, is for our students to come here to the region to get the professional experience with the cultural exposure at the same time.
I saw international work experience impacting my career by making me think about where I wanted to work in the future, not necessarily staying in America, seeing if a different work culture would fit me as a person and my career goals better. So I think additive manufacturing experience I've been learning here has been influencing. It helps understand how parts are manufactured and what that means when you're designing parts.
AUC is the leading institution when it comes to research, when it comes to innovation. And we are very happy and proud with this collaboration between our program and this amazing institution. With AUC, we hope to build and to expand this partnership. We are hoping that in the future we can have, let's say, exchange of programs between MIT and AUC. We are hoping that we can build with other programs and have more expansion.
In my past, I've built some things on my own time, some robots, some cool things. And my hope in the future is to be able to build physical AI, physical products that can directly help someone. Maybe you've heard of humanoid robots. Being in an international environment really shaped how I look at how I want to help people all over the world, not just in America.
When I started this internship, I was initially interested more about the applications in aerospace, so I'm glad to be doing something related to that right now. But I'm also open to all types of industries where WAM is useful, like construction, robotics, even biomedical.